Hi there, it's Azonga Ismail from Digital Productivity Tools and Skills. In this video, we will focus on the editing group in the Microsoft Word home ribbon. In the last video, we look at the styles group, where we look at how we can style our text with headings, titles, subtitles, and so on. In this video, we are going to talk about how we will use the editing group by finding specific text or other content, replacing and selecting. In Microsoft Word, the editing group, you'll be able to use the find, replace and select options to find and replace content or text. So let's say to find a word or a text in Microsoft Word, we will head to the editing group, click on find, and this pane pops up. Now we're gonna type the word we are looking for. So I'm gonna find video. So I'm gonna find video here, and now we have 28 results. We have 28 results, so that means video has appeared 28 times in this document, and that is how. So you can scroll and you find them here. For example, in the first paragraph, we have a video. In the second paragraph, we have a video, and that is it. So that is how we can find content or text in Microsoft Word. Next is the replaced. So with the replace, you search for content and you replace it with something else. For example, if I click on replace, then now I'm going to replace. Find what are you going to find? I'm going to find video. Replace it with what? So let's say audio. I'm gonna replace the video with audio, so I will just say replace all. So selecting replace all is going to just replace every single video it finds and replace it with audio. So click on replace all, and now all done. We have made 28 replacement. So remember, the video we find was 28. Now we have replaced that with audio. So wherever you find a video or there was a video, you will now see audio. So we have it here, we have it here, we have it in so many places in the. And then for the select, and select allows you to select text and objects. For example, if I click on select, I can just select an object or select all, and then you see I've just select everything and on the page. So that is it for this video. In this video, if you look at find, replace and select, we've seen how we can find text or content with find, and how we can also look for a text or search for something and replace it with replace, and how to select object with the select and text with the select. So that is it for this video. Stay tuned for our next video. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe, like and share this video for more content like this.